Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson. Hold on. Okay, we are going to start with the very first lesson, that is addition and subtraction word problems up to 20. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, Maria runs her own baking company. This morning, Maria's workers baked 12 lemon meringue pies. They also baked some more after lunch. In total, they baked 16 lemon meringue pies. How many lemon pies did Maria's worker bake after lunch? Right? So, they are the mixed questions. You have to understand from the statement either you have to add or subtract, right? Okay, you have to 12 pies they baked before lunch and total they baked are 16. So you need to find the lemon pies they made after lunch, right? So you have to subtract 16, take away 12, that is 4. That means the one they baked after the lunch are 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Last month, Nancy did a total of 15 problems from math homework. She got 3 problems correct. How many problems did she missed? So the total she did are 15, right? And the one that are correct is 3. You have to find the one that she missed. So you need to take away, right? 15 take away 3 equals. Start with the ones digit. 5 take away 3 is just make 5 lines. Remove 3 of them and count the rest. You have 2 and you need to keep 1 as it is. So that means 12 of the less problems she missed. The correct option is 12. So she missed 12 problems. Florence flipped a coin and got heads on 5 flips. She did a total of 9 flips. How many of the flips were tails? So, which is the correct option? The total flips she did is 9, right? She got five heads. So 9 take away 5 is 4. That means if 5 of them are heads, 9 take away 5 is 4. 4 of them are then head. The correct option is 9 take away 5 is 4. The correct option is 4. The correct option is 4, right? Jennifer flipped a coin and got heads on 2 flips. She did a total of 11 flips. How many of the flips were tail? So, which is the correct option? The total flips she did is 11. Two of them have head. So, how many of them have tail? You have to take away 2 from 11. So, 11 take away 2 is, which is the correct option? 9. That means 9 of them were head. 11 take away 2 is 9. So, 9 of them were head. The correct option is 9. Pam had a birthday party. Two girls and two boys from her class came. How many of Pam's classmates were at the birthday party? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is the total classmates were, yes, 4 it is. The correct option is 4. There were a total of 18 books on the shelf. Then 17 books were taken away. How many books were left? So, which is the correct option? 18 books on the shelf, right? And then 17 were taken away. So, 18 take away 17 equals how many books are on the shelf now? That is 18 take away 17 is 1. There is only one book on the shelf. right? The correct option is 1. Rudy is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday he completed 7 problems. There are 18 problems altogether. How many problems does Rudy have left to finish today? So, which is the correct option? So, we were working on grade 2 math. Basically, I don't know what's wrong with the title. You can see here the title is already grade 2 maths, right? So, there is session. I know I have already checked this earlier. Rudy is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday he completed 7 problems. There are 18 problems altogether. How many problems does Rudy have left to finish today? So you have to do 18 take away 7, which is the correct option. 8 take away 7 is 8 take away 7 is 1, and that is 11. That means the correct option is 11, right? That is grade 2 session. There is something wrong with the lesson name. The lesson name is already edited. I have checked twice, but there is something wrong with the lesson name. The one that is showing on the live is grade 1, but we are working on grade 2 maths, right? The chapter we are working on is mixed fractions. We are going to start with the next lesson, and the lesson we are on right now is addition and subtraction ways to make a number up to 20. That is grade 2 session, not grade 1. There is some technical issue with the name. So let's just start with the lesson, that is how do you make 7, right? Let's just start with the test questions because here you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test question, that is how do you make 13, which is the correct option. You are given two of the options, right? You have to check which one makes 13. Yes, that is option number 1, because 11 plus 2 makes 13, right? 11 plus 4 is not 13. So option number 1 is the Correct option. Again, we are on grade 2 maths. This isn't the grade 1 session. There is something wrong with the lesson name. I have tried to fix, but I can't. Right? So, how do you make 7? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 14 take away 7. So, 14 take away 7 is, yes, 7 it is. The correct option is, option number 1 is the correct option. 14 take away 7 is 7. Which is not a way to make 9. Which is the correct option? Not a way to make 9, right? That means you have to select the one that doesn't makes 9, right? 9 take away 1 is 8 and 7 plus 2 is 9. No, 7, the second is the one that makes 9. You have to, which is not a way to make 9. So this is the one that doesn't makes 9, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 take away 1 is the correct option. Just understand the question, think and then answer, right? Take your time before answering. 9 take away 1 is the correct option. That is the one that doesn't make 9. Okay, which is not a way to make 16. So which is the correct option? Not a way to make 16. So which is the correct option? You need to select the one that doesn't make 16. We are working on grade 2 math. There is something wrong with the lesson name, maybe some technical issue I'm trying to fix, but we are on grade 2 math. Which is, okay, you have to see which one is not the one that makes 16. 9 plus 6 is 15 and 7 plus 9 is 16. So which is the correct option? Not a way to make 16. That is option number 1 because that is the one that is not 16, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. How do you make 15? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which one makes 15? Option number 1 is the correct option. 15 plus 0 is 15. Option number 1. That means when you add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. So 15 plus 0 is 15. That is the one that makes 15. The next one is how do you make 4? Which is the correct option? Which option makes 4? Yes, that is option number one. 4 take away 0 is 4, so that is the one that makes 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, right now we are on grade 2 math. There is something wrong with the lesson name. I am trying to fix, but I can't, right? So, we are on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is mixed operations. The lesson I'm going to start with is add and subtract balance equations up to 20. Which number makes the equation true? So, you have to keep the equations on both side balance. Balance means both side must have exactly same answer, right? So 20 take away 1 is 19. Now you have to find the number that when added to 17 makes 90, which is the correct option. That is 17 plus 2 is 19. You can see now the equation is balanced. Balanced means if you add or subtract a number from the one side, the both the sides have exactly same answer. When you added 2 to make the equation balance, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which number makes the equation true? You have to see which one makes the equation true. First, solve the one. Which number makes the equation true? So 6 plus 1 is 7, right? 6 plus 1 equals the missing number minus 9. 6 plus 1 is 7, right? Now you have to find the number that when subtracted from 9 makes the answer 7, which is the correct option. You are given two of the numbers, right? Let's see which one when subtracted from 9 makes 7. 11 minus 9. No, 11 minus 9 is 2. This isn't balanced now, right? So 6 plus 1 and 16 minus 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. And yes, 16 take away 9 is 7. So 16 is the one that keeps the equation balanced. The correct option is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? 2 plus 4 equals the missing number minus 0. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 6 minus 0. 6 is the correct option, right? 6 is the number that makes the equation balance. Okay, which number makes the equation true? 20 take away 6 equals the missing number plus 3. So, which is the correct option? 20 take away 6 is 14, right? Now you have to see which number when added to 3 makes 14, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 11 plus 3 is the correct. 11 plus 3 makes 14. So option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Which number makes the equation true? The missing number minus 10 equals 1 plus 2. So here you have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So which number when subtracted from 10 makes 13, which is the correct option? That is 13 minus 10, and 13 minus 10 is 3. So that means the correct option is 13. That keeps the equation balanced. So the correct option is 13. Got it? That is 13. Got it? The correct option is 13. Which number makes the equation true? Which is the correct option? 19 minus 1 is 18. Yes, that is 12 plus 6 that equals 18. So the correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is which number makes the equation true? 17 plus the missing number equals 20 minus 1, which is the correct option. The correct option is 17 plus 2 is the 19. The correct option is 2. That is 17 plus 2 is 19. The correct option is 2. Lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is That is addition and subtraction equations up to 20, true or false. Let's just start with the test questions bit because here you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test questions. Sentence is true. 9 take away 4 is 5, or 0 plus 1 equals 9, which is the correct option. Add and see which answer is true, right? So, which is the correct option? That is away 4 is 5 is the correct option because 0 plus 1 is not 9, that is 1. So, yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 9 take away 6 is 2, or 4 plus 2 is 6. So, which is the correct option? Which sentence is true? 9 minus 6 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, finally, the session name is changed successfully, right? You can just reload the page and see if it shows now grade 2 or grade 1. The correct option is that is 4 plus 2 equals 6 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 3 plus 4 is 7, or 8 minus 3 is 6, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, that's option number 1. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Which sentence is true? 0 take away 0 is 0, or 5 plus 1 equals 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1. 0 take away 0 is 0. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is the correct option is 5 take away 2 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 minus 0 equals 5 or 2 plus 1 equals 3? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's the second one. 2 plus 1 equals 3 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 3 take away 0 is 3 or 2 plus 1 is 5. Which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 0 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 0 take away 0 is 9 or 5 plus 1 equals 6. Which is the correct option? The correct option is The second one, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, word problems up to 20, addition and subtraction, ways to make a number up to 20, addition and subtraction, balance equations up to 20, addition and subtraction equations up to 22 or false. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So any questions from the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. Please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.